Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iOS 18 beta update not showing up on iPhone. I know you all are buzzing in excitement about the upcoming iOS 18 beta update. All those whispers about new features and potential design refresh, it's enough to make any Apple fan excitement. But before you start searching for some mysterious download link in the corners of the internet, let's take a deep breath and chat about something important. Well, all get the urge to be on the cutting edge, to be the first to experience something new. There's a certain thrill to testing around unreleased features and feeling like you are ahead of the curve. But when it comes to iOS betas, it's important to remember one key thing: they are unfinished. By definition, beta software is still under development. It might be riddled with bugs, unexpected crashes, and features that aren't quite ready for prime time. Imagine trying to use your phone for daily tasks, but every few minutes something acts strangely. Not exactly ideal, right? But here's the good news: the official release of iOS 18 is just around the corner. The highly anticipated WWDC event is coming up soon, and that's when Apple will unveil the final polished version of iOS 18 beta. So all you have to do is simply wait for this event to head up, and after that event you will be available of a iOS 18 beta version. So guys, all you have to do is simply wait for the iOS 18 beta version until that event held. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.